just under a minute to tell you this. You are enough for your horse and for the partnership you share. This is for anyone who's ever felt like they were holding their horse back, or that their talent outshined their abilities, that maybe, perhaps, they were not worthy of it. Maybe it's the pressure of the bloodline, or the call at a higher level, or that quiet, cruel voice that compares you to others. But here's the truth. Your horse doesn't hear any of that. What it does feel, however, is the steadiness of your aid, the compassion in your correction, the safety of repetition. Your ambition might be high or it might be low, but I promise you this, they'll always be higher than that of your horse. They are generous and they give simply because you ask, not because they expect. So how could your ask ever not be enough? You don't have to ride every day, compete at every show, because your horse lives in moments, not in milestones. And if you're thinking, but all this talent is going to waste, remember, not all gifts need to be exploited.